How to use camera timer on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on camera app. Now here, so if you want to use camera timer on iPhone 17 Pro Max, so you will see this. So click on this six dot icon. Now here you will see third option is timer. So click on timer. Now you will see select the timer 3 second, 5 second, 10 second. So I will select 3 second. After selecting, click on this icon. You will see after 3 seconds my picture is captured. You will see. You will see after 3 seconds my picture is captured. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use camera timer on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.